Hello student, welcome to Happy Faces the Concert School. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the new revised syllabus of Information Technology CBSE Code 402 for class 10th, and we will also discuss about the exam pattern and mark distribution. My name is Shrikant Thakre and I am appointed as a teaching faculty for subject ICT for class 9th and 10th. This is my brief qualification and experience. So without wasting time, let's start. Syllabus of ICT is basically divided into two parts. First is the theory for 50 marks and second one is the practical for 50 marks. Total weightage of the subject is 100 marks. These are the cover photo of two books provided to you by school. The first is subject specification skill and the second was the employability skills. Again, the theory is divided into two parts, part A and part B. Part A is employability skills, is for 10 marks, and part B is subject specific skill for 40 marks. This is the official notification from CBSE regarding the syllabus for session 2020-21. Syllabus of ICT is divided into four parts. Part A, Part B, Part C and Part D. Part A is the employability skill, is for 10 marks, and Part B is the subject specific skill for 40 marks. Part C and Part D are belong to practical work that we discuss later. In your book there are total 7 units, but the good news is that unit 1 functional English, unit 3 word processing and unit 6 email messaging are not mentioned in the new syllabus, means that is not the part of our new syllabus. Unit 2 web application is for 10 marks, unit 4 spreadsheet is for 10 marks, unit 5 digital presentation for 8 marks and unit 7 database development is for 12 marks. These are the mentioned in our new syllabus, unit 2nd, unit 4th, unit 5th and unit 7. Total mark of subject specific skills are 40 and employability skill all 5 units together contain 10 marks. Unit wise distribution of marks for employability skills are not available on CBSE's official website. Now let's discuss about the paper pattern. Before we begin, please note that this paper pattern I get from previous year question papers and not officially declared by CBSE. Question paper will be divided into two sections, section A and section B. Section A contains 3 questions and section B contains 1 question. First question of section A is very short answer type question, that is in fill in the blank, multiple choice question or one word answer type. 10 question will be asked for 10 marks, 1 question for 1 mark. Short answer type question, each question can for 2 marks and you need to solve 6 questions. Total question is for 12 marks. Third one is again short answer type question, you need to solve 6 questions, 1 question is for 3 marks. Total third question is for 18 marks. And then in section B there is only 1 question, that is long answer type question. 1 question is for 5 marks and you need to solve 2 questions, that is total question 1. That is total question 1 of section B is for 10 marks. Then part C and part D of syllabus are practical work. Practical work for 50 marks. Practical work are again divided into 4 parts. Practical exam for 15 marks, written test for 10 marks, Viva voice, that is our oral exam, is for 10 marks and project for 15 marks. The topic of project and all guidance will be provided by the project guide. So this is the analysis of revised syllabus. Please note that revised syllabus is declared by CBSE before the COVID-19 crisis. Due to the lockdown, many working hours are lost. So it may be the possibility to further reduction in syllabus, but till now we don't receive any notification. If any notification received, then I will inform you in our WhatsApp group. So this is the end of this video. For any query or feedback, please comment below or you can contact me. All contact details are mentioned in the description. Thank you very much and God bless you all.